Meanwhile, there is no end to the grumbling and the complaints that are coming in from the opposition camp. A day after the Mahayuti has swept the elections in the state of Maharashtra, leaders of the Congress who swear by the constitution, who talk about saving the constitution, who say that it is time for us to save the constitution, they now are saying it is the constitution that has lost. Congress leader Rashid Alvi is going on to add that Mahayuti's victory in Maharashtra is a victory of the BJP and it's not a victory for the country.
मैं प्रधानमंत्री से बड़े अदब से कहूंगा कि जिस तरह हरियाणा के बाद महाराष्ट्र का चुनाव हुआ है और जिसके अंदर आपने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जितने कैंडिडेट्स लड़े थे, 2-4 छोड़ के सब जीत गए हैं, ऐसा देश के अंदर कभी नहीं हुआ है। आज महाराष्ट्र के अंदर भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीती है, भारत हार गया है, लोकतंत्र हार गया है, संविधान हार गया है। ये सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जीत हो सकती है, देश की जीत नहीं है।
Pragya is joining us live. Pragya, लोकतंत्र हार गया है, संविधान हार गया है. All these statements coming in from leaders of the Congress who now are questioning the mandate in Maharashtra, something that the Prime Minister also pointed out in his victory speech yesterday. And when the opposition is questioned by the BJP on what about states where you win, the opposition doesn't have a response to give. In fact, they come out and they say that too is deliberate. You let us win because you tried to prove there is a level playing field. What exactly is happening?
Well, this is exactly what Prime Minister also said yesterday. In fact, as the results started trickling in, the opposition camp started making noises, and this is exactly when Sanjay Raut came out, said there's something fishy about the results. And, the BJP also started saying that it is every time BJP wins and people repose their faith in the policies of the BJP, that opposition camp come out and question the institutions like Election Commission, and not just that, EVMs. They have been questioning EVMs, and Election Commission, mind you, has time and again explained and clarified that there can be no tampering with the EVMs. In fact, at one point of time, Election Commission has invited all the parties to come and try their hands at the EVM and try to hack the EVMs that they give. Now there's new logic which has come in Maharashtra, where one of the candidates said there are 99% batteries that are charged, that remained charged, and this is why the results started changing after a few rounds. But then there are many rounds when it comes to a polling booth, and when it comes to an assembly election, and each segment may have voted in a particular manner. So every time there is a round, the result is likely to be changed, and this is exactly what happened. And in fact, after that they started blaming the EVMs. But having said that, this is also a statement on opposition leaders, because they have won states like Karnataka, they have won states like Telangana, and not believing and not having faith in people's mandate and not respecting it, something that should not be acceptable in a democracy. And BJP is making this point that you cannot disrespect people's mandate.
Yeah.
BJP got this mandate in Maharashtra, and they have also accepted the mandate in Jharkhand, where JMM-led coalition has won.
Right.
India coalition has won. So, this is also a statement to say that every time you lose, you cry foul and
Yes.
you blame the institution, which has become a statement.
No, but to say something
far
like
as
संविधान हार चुका है, लोकतंत्र हार चुका है, because a political party or a political alliance has lost elections, and then to not use the same parameter or the same kind of commentary in states where the opposition wins, that is the kind of hypocrisy that is also being pointed out by leaders of the BJP.